Baby, come and talk to me. Jodeci, tryna show you love, it's that TLC. You're my favorite song, you're my therapy. Music for my soul, classic R&B. We don't need no plan B, but to have a family. Sounding like a Grammy every time you speak. Make me wanna sing. You make me wanna sing. So passionate like Jackson, 5 heartbeats, temptation. Girl, don't keep me waiting. I love you, that's Cupid. That's Soul Child with the music. You my boo, that's Alicia. I told you I need you, that's Jazz. And baby girl, you bad. So won't you come in? Talk to me.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel and happy Thanksgiving Eve. I hope that you guys enjoy your families. Today I have an affordable everyday bob to show you guys that is so divine, guys. And did I also mention that this unit is very affordable? So I know you all will love that. This unit came in Brazilian texture. It is 180% density, so it's rather full, and it is in a blunt cut. The hairline has been pre-plucked and the knots are already pre-bleached for you, so you don't have to worry about that. It comes with 4.5 inches of parting space, and this is a glueless lace front unit, so you don't have to glue it down. So that's pretty awesome. Now, I put it on just to see what we were working with, because you can always tell, and I've said this before, but you can tell if the unit is going to be fire if you put it on without cutting the lace off and it already looks great. Now, one thing I was a little concerned about is the hairline, if it would cover my low hairline, but we'll get into that more a little later. So right now I want to make the lace more so my scalp color. So I'm adding a small squirt of my foundation onto my hand and then using my foundation brush in order to transfer it onto the lace. And I only did it in the area where there's parting. And I realized it may be a little too dark, so I decided to mix the Sally Hansen airbrush spray in color Deep Glow. I like to spray it onto the brush rather than directly onto the lace so that it doesn't get messy, and I just transfer it that way. So I like layering these two, and I feel like it's a much better match. And I hope that you all can tell the difference. It looks really good. And I actually don't have the unit parted all the way, but I will do that by the end of the video. This is what the hairline looks like on the mannequin head. As you can see, there's a very good start that's been done. You could do a little more to customize it, but I didn't decide to do that for this install because I'm going to be wearing the middle part. Right now, I'm just going to flat iron the hair, give it a little bump, and then I'll come back on.
Staring at you on this airplane, I ain't worried about nothing, cause you got me feeling like the Wayne Wade in 03. Yeah, you and me, we got the heat, so bump all that anxiety. But you hit to the side of me, I feel like I'm gliding. And honestly, look, I don't want you saying that you had a better chance without me, that you wish you had made plans without me. Look, I hate to make this song about me, but I really wanna tell you that I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss you make me sound the alarm.
Now that we finished that part of the process, now it's time to try it out. Guys, feel free to customize and modify your units when you get them. If the lace is not your color, feel free to use the technique that I showed you guys and it'll look so much better. So now we're going to proceed to install. I'm going to clip the hair out of the way. I like to make 2 slits in the lace near my temples, and then I begin applying my adhesive and then laying the unit down.
Ring, ring, tell me how you feel, tell me what it is, tell me what it ain't. Trigger happy, you looking by, I might just detonate. Yeah, tell them dudes looking far back. Kidding to kill, I need all that. Let them call, but don't call back. Let them call, but don't. I don't want you saying that you had a better chance without me, that you wish you had made plans without me. Look, I hate to make this song about me, but I really wanna tell you that I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss that thing go ring, ring, ring. Still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss you make me sound the alarm. Car. When we kiss you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss that thing go ring, ring, ring. Still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss that thing go ring, ring, ring.
Alright, so right now I'm just finishing up the left side. I'm cutting off the lace and I'm using an eyebrow razor to do it. I'd highly advise that you all get an eyebrow razor. I only use scissors around the ear tabs, which is the area of lace just around the ears. And at this point, I'm prepping to do baby hair because I realized that the unit doesn't fully cover my hairline. It does a fairly good job, but there are some areas that are still peeking out. But then I decided to use some foundation just to blend over the area where the lace is a little light. And after completing this, I felt like the hairline looked much better and I didn't actually need to necessarily do baby hair unless I was going to wear the sides out. But because I'm going to wear the hair with the middle part and you're not going to see my hairline anyway on the sides, it worked better just to leave it as is. So that's what I did and it looks pretty good. But if you have a round hairline, you are going to be good. This unit is going to look so perfect on you, whether you wear middle part, side part, you pull it back and you have the complete hairline exposed, it's going to look great. So now that we've taken care of that, we're pretty much finished, but I did decide to bump the hair in the front because I didn't do it originally when I was flat ironing the hair. I generally do the back off my head and the front, sometimes I do it while it's still on my head because I can't really see the back and I want to make sure that that looks perfect. So we're going to now get the front right and then we're going to be finished.
Lady, come here, let me tell you something. Lately I've been wondering if you could be mine forever. See, you was like God, he must be up to something. Know you tired of running, let's just stay here together. I know your mama told you don't let guys go running off with your love. You don't even open up, so your heart can't get crushed. You've been let down so many times, you wonder if you need to get up. You done been through too much, but I ain't tryna mess this up. Hey, let's get away. We can take a trip to the bay. Hit the beach, take a vacay. Whatever you like, yeah, whatever you like. Oh my, you done stressing the night. Stay up, watch the sunrise. We just fine, yeah. You just need your vacation. You just need your vacation. You just need your vacation.
Y'all, I am in love with how beautiful this bob looks. It looks so realistic, so natural, and it looks so flowy. I love the texture, the movement, and everything. And here's a quick glimpse at what it would look like if you were to do a side part. You can absolutely do that. But y'all, if you've been looking for a very good bob, this is the one. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I cannot wait to hear your feedback. Check the description, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.